Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. If you've ever wanted to create your own online course website that looks and works just like Udemy, you're in luck. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do that completely for free using WordPress and some amazing tools. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add your lecture videos, create engaging course content, and even add quizzes at the end of your courses to make your lessons interactive, just like on Udemy. We'll cover everything from setting up your WordPress site, creating your first course, and designing a beautiful layout. So, let's get started and turn your teaching passion into reality. Before we start, you'll need to have WordPress installed, and you'll need hosting and a domain name for your course website. If you're still figuring out hosting, I've included a link in the video description with my top recommendations for hosting services that work great with WordPress. To begin, go to your WordPress dashboard and click on Settings from the sidebar. Here, you'll find a few key settings we need to update. Site title and tagline. Enter your site's title, like WordPress Academy, and add a tagline to describe your site. This tagline will show up in search results, so make it descriptive. Scroll down to add a site icon. This is also called a favicon, the small image that appears in browser tabs. Set the site language to the language your courses will be in. Next, update the date format and time format to fit your region or personal preference. You can even use the custom option to have full control over how dates are displayed on your site. Finally, don't forget to click Save Changes at the bottom of the page to make sure all your settings are applied. Then go to Reading section. Here, you can customize how your blog appears to visitors. For example, you can set the number of blog pages to show it most. This means you can limit it to a certain number, like 10, to keep your homepage tidy and user-friendly. Save change. And next, let's set up our permalinks. Go to Settings and then Permalinks. In the permalink structure, choose the post name option. This makes your URLs more readable and SEO-friendly, which is crucial for attracting students to your courses. And save your changes. With our basic settings in place, it's time to install some required plugins. We'll be adding Tutor LMS for our course management. Go to Plugins, Add New. In the search bar, type in Tutor LMS and click Install Now. After it's installed, click Activate. This will enable all the amazing features we'll need to create and manage our courses. Once activated, you'll see a message that says, "Thank you for choosing Tutor LMS." Let's get started. This means you're all set to begin creating engaging online courses. Let's start setting up our platform. You'll notice two main options to choose from: individual courses or marketplace. Individual courses are perfect if you want to create and manage your courses directly. You have complete control over the content, pricing, and student enrollment. Marketplace is ideal if you plan to allow multiple instructors to create and sell their courses on your site. This way, you can build a community of educators and offer a wider range of courses to your students. We enable instructor profiles, allowing users to create personalized profiles that showcase their credentials, achievements, and completed courses. Next, we need to decide whether to enable student profiles. Having student profiles can provide a more personalized experience, allowing learners to track their progress, view completed courses, and connect with instructors. Next, let's talk about instructor bios. You can choose to enable or disable instructor bios based on your preference. Another helpful feature is the question and answer section. By enabling this, students can ask questions related to the courses, and instructors can respond directly. Next, let's turn on instructor sign-up. Still in the Instructors tab, enable the Instructor Registration option. To allow instructors to earn from the courses they create, simply toggle the Instructor Earnings feature to On. This will enable you to set commission rates for each course, ensuring that instructors receive a fair share of the revenue generated. Set a commission rate that benefits both the platform and the instructors. For example, you can establish a 10% commission for the admin and a generous 90% for the instructors. Enable all available payment withdrawal options for instructors. This flexibility ensures they can receive their earnings through their preferred methods, whether that be PayPal, bank transfer, or other options. Congratulations! Your setup is now complete, and you're ready to launch an engaging online learning community. If you feel like you might have missed something or want to adjust any settings, don't worry at all. You can easily revisit and customize your setup by heading to the Tutor LMS settings at any time. I won't go into detail on every option here, as I don't want to waste your time or make this video longer than necessary. Instead, I encourage you to explore the settings on your own. Feel free to scroll through the various options and tailor them to fit your needs perfectly. This way, you can create an online learning experience that works best for you and your students. All right, let's create our first course. Navigate to Tutor LMS, Courses, and click Add New. The first thing you'll see is a field to enter your course title. This title should reflect the core topic of your course. Next, you'll want to add a detailed description of what your course covers. This section should include the objectives, outcomes, and key topics you'll be addressing. Think of it as your course's pitch to potential students. Add a brief excerpt. This should be a short summary of the course that is usually displayed on course listings. Aim for 1 to 2 sentences. Maximum students. This field determines how many students can enroll in your course. For now, let's set this to 0, meaning there is no limit on enrollments. Choose a difficulty level. Select the appropriate difficulty level from the drop-down menu. For a beginner's course, you might choose all level. This helps potential students understand the prerequisites they might need. Enable Q&A feature. This allows students to ask questions about the course content, which can be helpful for engagement. In the settings, look for the option labeled Enable Q&A and toggle it on. Fill in all this additional data and introduce your course, what your course teaches, and who your target audience is. Your course audience will you discuss your course teaching. Don't forget to add relevant categories and tags for your course to enhance its visibility and accessibility. Proper categorization will help learners find your course more easily, while specific tags will provide additional context and improve searchability. Don't forget to include a feature image to make your course visually appealing. Once everything is set, go ahead and publish your course to share your expertise with learners. Once you've configured your course settings, the course page showcases a few key elements, such as the title, description, and a featured image. However, to create a more immersive and engaging experience for your learners, you can replace or complement the featured image with a welcome or introduction video. This video can help introduce the course to potential students and provide an overview of what they will learn. To add the video to your course, navigate to the Tutor LMS settings. Within the Settings menu, click on the Course tab. In the Course Settings, you will find the Video Sources option. Here, you can choose the video platforms you want to enable for your courses. Select all available sources to ensure you can add videos from various platforms seamlessly. To upload a video from YouTube, simply copy the link of your desired video and paste it into the designated field. After adding the video link, make sure to update your course by clicking the Update button. This ensures that all changes, including the video addition, are saved. After setting up your course title and description, it's time to enrich your course with engaging content. Follow these steps to create a structured and informative learning experience. Scroll down to the Course Builder section. This is where you'll organize your course into logical segments. Click on Add New Topic. This feature allows you to create broad sections for your course. Each topic can represent a module or chapter. Give a descriptive title that reflects the content of that section. After entering the topic title, provide a brief summary of what students will learn in this section. This summary can outline key concepts, objectives, and learning outcomes. Within the Course Builder section, you'll find the option to add lessons under each topic. This button allows you to open a new interface specifically designed for lesson creation. When creating a lesson, the first step is to provide a lesson title. This title should be descriptive and specific, capturing the essence of what the lesson will cover. If you have a video file ready on your PC, you can easily upload it directly to your lesson. Click on the Upload Video button within the lesson editor, or embed it from platforms like YouTube or Vimeo by pasting the video URL. Creating quizzes within your course is straightforward and offers several options for customization. Quizzes are an excellent way to reinforce learning and evaluate student progress. Give your quiz a descriptive title that relates to the lesson or topic it covers. Provide a brief overview of what the quiz will assess, so learners know what to expect. Click on Add Question to create new questions. One of the standout features of Tutor LMS is its support for various question types, allowing instructors to create engaging and interactive assessments for their courses. Here's a detailed overview of the available question types, how to effectively use them, and the benefits of each. Tutor LMS allows you to create various question types such as multiple choice, true/false, and fill in the blank. Set a time limit for quizzes to create a sense of urgency and help students manage their time better. This feature is crucial for maintaining the course's pacing and ensuring students engage with the material effectively. After students complete the quiz, provide detailed feedback that includes the correct answers for each question and explanations for why those answers are correct. This helps students learn from their mistakes. Additionally, display their overall score to give them a sense of achievement and track their progress in the course. This comprehensive feedback enhances their learning experience and supports skill improvement. And that's it. You've successfully created a fully functional LMS course on WordPress with Tutor LMS. Students can now enroll, study at their own pace, and take quizzes to test their knowledge. In our next video, we'll explore advanced features such as certificates, gamification, and more ways to enhance your online learning experience. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and leave any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.